In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick and simple way to record TradingView and then get the video onto your computer. This is free, it doesn't require any downloads, so let's jump into it. So right here I'm in TradingView, I'm looking at Bitcoin to US dollar. Bitcoin is flying right now, it's at $122,000, and if you do want to buy any Bitcoin, look in the description below. I have a load of bonuses which are going to help you out. Anyway, if you wanted to take a video, what you can do is on Windows, you actually have a built-in video recorder already. And if you search for it, you just need to search snipping tool. Here, once you've got that open, switch over to video section. And then once you're in record, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon. And then you can drag part of the screen you want to record. So let's just drag it to the whole screen or the whole browser. Then you can go ahead and choose if you want your microphone on or off. I'm going to keep it off for the video. And then click start. Then what's going to happen, it's going to count you down and you will then be recording that selection. You can go ahead and then make your trades. We can just buy some Bitcoin real quick. And then obviously you've got your video. Go ahead and then click stop recording once you're happy. And there you go. You've now got your video recorded. I'm not sure what this error is, but we can fix that later if it keeps happening. But for now, we have our video. And then to save it, click save in the top right hand corner. You can go ahead and then download this to your computer. So that is a quick workaround. I hope you can use that and I hope it was helpful.